So my name's Philip. I'm coming to Thrust here to get my A&P. I'm currently a 135 drone pilot, 107 pilot, ADX dispatcher, and it's a great field to be in. My dad was an A&P. He took care of me my whole life, and he's a great guy. So I know it's a good job with good people in it. Here are 5 things that I learned my first month at Thrust. First thing, safety. Always got to wear your eyeglasses. If you're working with anything that's making noise, throw on them earmuffs. And you always got to be careful in the shop. So obviously, first danger is losing an eye. You know, working with materials, you're grinding. You don't want any specks in your eye. So at Thrust, we always take safety very seriously because it's a real-world environment. We're working on real airplanes all the time. Out in the shop at least 2 to 3 times a week. So you left a wrench on an airplane, now your weight and balance is off. Now the whole plane goes down and nobody knows why until the NTSB comes and hey, it's you. It's your tool, it's checked out to you, buddy. You always gotta check in and check out the tools you're using because your tools, you gotta take care of them. You don't want a wrench left on an airplane. Nobody wants that. Everybody wants to know you're a professional and that you're gonna have everything that you brought out with you back with you when you come back. So my third thing that I learned at Thrust is about safety wire, and this is something you're going to use throughout your entire aviation career. You're going to safety wire bolts non-stop. Taught us here pretty much day one, and we've been doing it all the time, and it's crucial. You need it. So the fourth thing I learned at Thrust, aviation FARs. Got to know them, got to learn them, and boy, are there a lot of them. Federal Aviation Regulations, FARs. And 14 CFR, you know, straight from the federal government. This is what we do, baby. Just acronyms for days. You're gonna learn a lot of acronyms. Inspections, annuals, it's all in this puppy right here. You're gonna learn it, you're gonna love it, and you're gonna get to use it in the classroom. You're gonna inspect, you're gonna see, it's gonna be great. Fifth favorite thing about working at Thrust is working with motors. I mean, if you're coming from aviation, this is the place to be. These motors, easy access, you're not digging through things, getting your hand up in weird little places. Carburetor is right there, tune it with a screwdriver. Yeah, buddy. So those are the 5 things that I've learned at Thrust this month, first month, and I can't wait to take my written, gonna knock it out, feel like I could knock it out right now with all the information I've been given. Can't wait for power plant, can't wait to work with my hands on some motors, get all greasy, get all good, and like, comment, subscribe.